Hello, in this video we are going to introduce 4 confusing classifiers for Chinese beginners. In Chinese, most numerals cannot be used with the nouns without the measure words or classifiers. Today we mainly introduce 4 classifiers for people. They are 个、名、谓 and 口。个、名、谓、口。First, let's have a look at the classifier 个。个 is a neutral expression. It is a classifier for people and objects in general. Today we mainly introduce its usage as a classifier for people. For example, 一个人 one person, 一个人一个朋友朋友 friend, 一个朋友 a friend, 一个朋友三个孩子孩子 child, 三个孩子 three children. 10个女生女生 girls, 10个女生 10 girls. 一个人一个朋友3个孩子10个女生。屋子里有2个人屋子 house, room, 里 inside, 有 have, there are. 屋子里有2个人 there are 2 people inside the room. 屋子里有2个人屋子里有2个人他有2个孩子 He has 2 children. 他有2个孩子他有2个孩子 Next one is 名 名 is also the classifier for people. Compared to 个, its range is narrower. It's only used to describe a person of a certain status, and its tone is quite formal. For example, 一名学生学生 student, 一名学生 a student, 一名医生医生 doctor, 一名医生 a doctor, 一名记者记者 journalist, 一名记者 a journalist, 一名老师老师 teacher, 一名老师 a teacher. So 名 can be used to describe a person with a status. More examples. 他是一名医生 He is a doctor. 他是一名医生他是一名医生我们班有10名学生班 class. 我们班有10名学生 There are 10 students in our class. 我们班有10名学生我们班有10名学生 Next one is 谓 The difference between 谓 and other classifiers for people is that it is an honorific expression. It usually shows respect and politeness, especially to introduce someone in some formal situations. For example, 您好几位几 how many 您好几位 It is a polite expression used by the waiters in the restaurants to ask how many customers there are. 您好几位 And the customers could answer 2位 2 people. 您好几位2位很高兴2位老师能来高兴 glad, happy 老师 teacher 能 could 来 come 很高兴2位老师能来 I'm glad that you two could come. Here, 位 shows the respect. The speaker used this sentence to express his respect for the 2 teachers. 很高兴2位老师能来很高兴2位老师能来 The last one is ko. Ko is a classifier for things with mouths, such as people, domestic animals, and whales. When it is a classifier for people, it is usually used to say how many people there are in a family. For example, 你家有几口人？家 family. 你家有几口人？ How many people are there in your family? 你家有几口人？你家有几口人？ And you could answer, 我家有三口人。There are 3 people in my family. 我家有三口人。我家有三口人。To conclude, 个 is a neutral expression and the most often used classifier for people. It could replace the other 3 classifiers, but we better choose different classifiers according to different situations. And 名 mainly focuses on the identity, the people of different status. And 位 is the honorific expression. And the last one, 口, is only used when asking about the number of the family members. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video is useful. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and click the notification sound bell for more videos. See you next time.